How to pause your YouTube watch history. In today's video, we've prepared a tutorial about YouTube. We'll show you how to pause your watch history on YouTube. The process is quick and incredibly simple. To begin, open the YouTube app. Select the library option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a section for your watch history. For a more detailed history, click on the View All option. By clicking on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the Pause Watch History option. Keep in mind that by pausing your watch history, you'll find it more difficult to locate videos you've watched previously, and you'll receive fewer YouTube recommendations for new videos. Your history won't be deleted, and you can view and edit it whenever you want. If, despite this information, you've decided to pause your YouTube watch history, click on Pause. And there you go, your watch history is now paused. If you ever want to turn off this option, simply click on Turn, and your watch history will be back. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more video tutorials.